Hello, my peeps. Day 10. Woo, woo, woo. We're getting close to the end, which is exciting, but we're getting close to the end, which is sad. I'm having lots of fun with this calendar. So I'm not going to run down the thing each time because we're getting there. I'll just do the yesterday, just so you know you're in order. So yesterday we had our lovely M&M cards, which are 3x4. Memories and More. They're like Memories and More cards, the little double-sided cards. And these make great, like you can put these on a card front, put a little sentiment and like a little thing, and boom, you're done. Like this is awesome. So there was 12 of those. I never counted the ephemera. There's a pile of ephemera, and it's all such pretty watercolor looks. Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's see what day 11 brings. Ooh, day 11. Funny enough, when I did open this when I first got it, and I looked at I opened it for the boxes, and like I said, day 2 was okay. That's the 6x6. That's the DSP. And I was curious. I was like, this one is like long and skinny. What do we have in here? So this was one of the ones I was the most curious about. Oh, look at me. I'm doing it the other hand this time. Oh, I must have finally gotten good at this. Okay, so day 11. So the last couple days, this one is like got a rougher edge too. Ooh. That one's like super stiff too. There we go. This is a glitter glue. It's not what it's called. I have no idea what it's actually called. It's not glue. We used to have this. I'm trying to open the baggie. We used to have this years ago in a different configuration. And then this is sort of like the metallic. Geez, we just had it a couple years ago, and there was like 3 little bottles of, I think it was green, white, and black, or red, white, and black. And then we had 3 that were metallic. Darn it, I cannot remember what it is called. Okay, I need a piece of paper. I have so many pieces of paper. It's kind of odd that I can't find a piece of paper, but let's see what these are. Oh, these are just little squares. That's perfect. So this, I remember doing a kids class with this the one time, and they had this stuff on so incredibly thick that, oh, I know where I'm going to put it. Never mind that. That I thought it was never going to dry. Okay, I'm going to use this because I happen to have it sitting on my desk. And I'm going to use this because I happen to have it sitting on my desk. So I had already colored it in yellow, but that's fine. So the key to this is more is not more in this case because it'll take forever to dry. Oops. And let it dry tomorrow. But because this is a poinsettia, I'm actually purposely pulling up on it. Like normally you would kind of, if you kind of swirl at the end, and you can sort of round off. I used to work at a Dairy Queen. I can make the curl. But in this case, I'm like pointing it up to get the texture. And I just made myself a little gold center with the little things. It doesn't show up as much on the camera, but it is a little more separate here. But you can do that. You can do edging on tags. I will, by tomorrow, I will have looked it up because I cannot remember what this stuff is called. But it's just like glitter goop. Is that a fun name for it? And this is a good size bottle. I will tell you, that's a good size bottle. So yay for number 10 in the glitter goop. All right. See you tomorrow, folks.